I'd like to point out another strange phenomenon, that nobody really brushes or combs their hair anymore. You look at the hair that people have, it's not brushed. And that's pretty consistent wherever you go. Women's hairs are really done, not really brushed. And men don't have haircuts that you comb anymore. They have the short cuts, stylish cuts, ball caps. But very few men actually comb their hair anymore. As you might call it traditionally or classically, which I of course still do. Also, a lot of people are chewing with their mouths open these days, which is kind of a surprise. Wonder when that happened. Canadians used to have table manners. Now everyone chews with their mouth open and doesn't comb their hair.